I'm Ahana Vijay. I was coming to DQ for writing the exam in NID for 2022 and I got a rank of 213. It definitely helped with me like growing my skills, especially with sketching, because I think DQ gave me a starting point of where to start with, like what to grow and what to change and where to develop my skills. It also helped me with my creative thinking in terms of how to just think beyond the ordinary and like constantly keep ideating with new ideas, not just a couple, like 2 to 3 ideas. Keep going, keep growing, and keep getting better. And of course, it also helped me with theory, because I would never have known what to study if I had not come to DQ. With DQ, I knew exactly like what to target, what my weak points were, and the faculty really helped me with knowing exactly where I needed to change and how to get better for the exam. And also like the environment, especially when I came to DQ for second round preparation, was so much fun because everyone was so creative and everyone was so much fun, and the teachers here like Chancellor and Ramesh sir, you have really helped me out with like feeling comfortable with being creative as